Master Cheat is a bitch. You looking mighty stupid today. Oh, shut up. Finally, the emergency food becoming a clown. Slayer. I believe I can fly. Life is not Yahoo. Let it go. Let it go. Scara, what the fuck? Now what the fuck is that? Who cares? Help me! Silence button. Damn, bitch, I wish that was me. Kaya breathes D-loop. No! When you are a Kaya main. Damn, bro, that's so true. Hey, yo, dinner's ready. Damn. Oh, shit, 𝚗𝚎𝚡. What the fuck? Paimon being cooked. I heard you have Mora. No one cares. I don't even have Mora. Clee loves fish fussing. Coco me. War flashbacks. Sleep? What the fuck is that? Oh no, Traveler, my balls are green. I showed you my liar. Please respond. May Barbados forgive you, but I won't. My world level 2, my friend with world 7. Damn. Okay. Are you a Samantha swine? Cause I remember you. You can't defeat me, I know, but she can't. Glee! Yes, it says you're gay, who asked? You can change the past, but you can still fuck up in your future. Glee, save me, the crown is eating me. Who's grounded now, bitch? Dies from cringe. But I can't eat anymore. What's wrong? Can't handle these nuts. I visited Inazuma once and they took away my vision. Accidentally lost your book. Haven't laughed so hard in my entire life. Life is not 𝚗𝚎𝚡.